Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your biohacking with Bulletproof step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your current biohacking practices and areas for improvement. Set clear goals for what you want to achieve with Bulletproof products and strategies. Research the various Bulletproof products available, such as coffee, supplements, and snacks. Choose a few key products that align with your biohacking goals. Start integrating one product at a time into your daily routine. Monitor how each product affects your physical and mental performance. Adjust the dosage or product type based on your observations and experiences. Incorporate Bulletproof recipes into your meal planning for better nutrition. Experiment with Bulletproof coffee as part of your morning routine to enhance energy levels. Explore Bulletproof supplements that target specific areas like focus or recovery. Track your progress regularly using a journal or app to document changes in your well-being. Seek out online communities or forums focused on Bulletproof biohacking for additional insights. Attend Bulletproof or biohacking seminars and workshops to expand your knowledge. Stay updated on the latest research and trends in biohacking through reputable sources. Refine your biohacking strategies based on what works best for you over time. Be patient and give your body time to adapt to new products and techniques. Evaluate your overall health and performance periodically to assess the effectiveness of your biohacking routine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.